Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do your eyebrows. Um, to me, there's people that do their eyebrows better than me, but I'm going to show you the way that I do it. Normally, people leave this little area, like the front part of your eyebrow, they leave them like less filled in. Anyway, you really don't need much. All you need is a little product, like pomade, that's what it's called. Intellectuals. A little spoolie. This is this is the spoolie and this is the angle brush. This one is both. And you need concealer. I used to not conceal my eyebrows, and let me just tell y'all. They look like boxes. Like, okay, alright. But the other ones were dark. Like, they were charcoal dark. Like, it was darker. It was like the top or the thing. They were dark. Anyway, insert a picture here. Alright. So what you're gonna need is also a beauty blender, the concealer, and a little flat brush to do the top part. Yeah, I think that's mostly all you need. Anyway, okay, so my eyebrows are drawn on right now. So when I come back, they're gonna be gone. Ready? Okay, guys. So we're back. My eyebrows are gone. They're they're shaped ugly. Okay, mini story time. So I went to get my eyebrows done, right? Like a few months ago, a month or two ago. And the lady took off too much from my arch, whatever you call it. So it's like really, really thin. And like, I don't like it. So that's why, pro tip, if you don't like it, just make up your own eyebrow. And unless you tell someone, they won't know. So anyway, so the first thing that I do is I get my pomade and then the little brush. It's a spoolie with the angle at the end. Okay. So you get your thingy right and then you like just get a little bit. Like I barely tap it on there. Alright. That's enough. For like I start with the bottom line. So ew, I'm getting too close to it. Okay. So you get a little bit, right? Then you start doing the bottom. You slowly start curving down into your little tail. Okay. Y'all see it already kind of got like a little shape. Like a little bit. But anyway, so you get a little bit more. And now I do the top of it. Like the top. So basically I'm gonna make up this part of my eyebrow since it's gone. So I start off here and then I make up my arch and then I just pull it all down and it connects like here. Oh my gosh, I've never realized how much it actually is that I make up. Okay, so then you start filling in. Okay, and you keep filling in until you feel like it's good. Alright. Okay. So, and then I slowly start doing this from the bottom. I slowly start doing the bottom and then like slowly start filling in the bottom. There we go. Okay, and then I do all the way like the whole bottom. Okay. And then you do the top. I try to do them as straight as I can, so I have to make up a lot of the front of my eyebrow. So I'm telling you, when I tell you that my eyebrows are fake, they're actually fake. Like, anyway. So, okay, usually I just make a block. I just make a block, right? Because either way, spoiler alert, we're gonna use concealer. So, we're gonna use concealer to fix it up anyway. So, and if I feel like it's not enough product over here, I start filling in a little bit more. So then we like brush it out a little to make the front side of the product a little lighter. Not that lighter, but lighter. Oh my goodness. And so basically, the point of this video is to double the size of your eyebrow. Once you've done that, you've succeeded. Okay, I'm gonna be back with this eyebrow. So, okay guys, so I did my other eyebrow. So, as I mentioned earlier, we're gonna be using concealer to fix it up. Alright. Since the concealer comes off too much in the little thingy, like y'all see that dot of concealer on the top? So you get your little flat brush, and I get the extra product that gets on the top, and then I start lining the top part of my eyebrow, and then I just use the actual like stick to do the bottom half. So we're gonna start with the top half. Okay, now that I have one, I still get the little leftover product, and I start doing the other one. So basically, you make a unibrow of concealer. Okay, so I tried my best to make them look similar. We're not done yet. So you have to get your damp beauty blender, and basically you blend it out because it's called a beauty blender. I have a little baby one for these. Oh no, they're uneven. Alright, let me fix this real quick, then I'll be back. So basically I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. Okay, so now we're gonna do the bottom half, and for the bottom half I use the actual like concealer stick. So we're so after we do the bottom, we're gonna do the middle, and I put more in the middle to like guide where I want the concealer to blend into the front of the brow, so it makes it a little lighter but not too light. Okay, so now that we're done putting concealer on it, we blend it out. So here we go. So since my eyebrows are not even, we're gonna go back with some pomade and fill in the unevenness. So because this one is way thinner than this one, so we're gonna fix that real quick. We're gonna add a little more to this. Since we took off too much of this eyebrow while doing the concealer, we're gonna fill in. Okay, so now that they look pretty even, brush them out. Okay, and this is personal preference. Yes, preference. But I conceal my dark circles. Okay, so basically, this is how your eyebrows are gonna look. So yeah, guys, that's how your eyebrows are gonna look. Um, they don't look the best, but you know, something. So, thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. To also like this video if this helped you out. Probably not. Probably yes. Probably. All right. um, what else? Oh, the bell, the little notification bell thingy. This isn't even going on YouTube, but this is a YouTube video, a YouTube style video. Anyway, that's all for this video. Yes. So, goodbye.